I had a successful career on Wall Street with all the trappings. I had a large home. I had a vacation home. I sent my kids to private school. And I had long hours and the exhaustion that went along with the relentless pursuit of more. Hello, my name is Laura Rotter of True Abundance Advisors, and I imagine that my story might resonate with you. And why wouldn't it? All our cultural messages are that just get the bigger house, buy the nicer car, land the promotion, and then you will be happy. I am here to tell you that more things do not create happiness. Happiness is an inside job. One day I woke up and realized I was using my life to make money rather than using my money to create a life that felt fulfilling. So I made some decisions. I sold my large house. I sold my vacation home. I repositioned my investments to take less risk. And I looked at my expenses and lowered them so that I could leave what was at that point an unsatisfying career on Wall Street and start my financial planning firm, True Abundance Advisors. My goal then, and my goal continues to be, is to work with people just like you who are going through a big life transition. Perhaps you are unsatisfied in your job, but you're not sure how much you need to earn or what steps you need to take to walk away. Perhaps you've gotten divorced and this is the first time that you are in charge of your personal finances. Perhaps you've lost a partner and are similarly learning to be in charge of your money. There are so many reasons that life can change and then money changes. I set up my practice to help you use your financial resources to move forward with intention and purpose. If this sounds like you and you would like a guide as you move into this next stage of your life, please don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a call. My calendar can be found on my website, trueabundanceadvisors.com, and I look forward to speaking with you so you too can live your life with purpose. Thank you.